The Supreme Court has formally and officially released the decision we told you about yesterday in the Idaho abortion case. It was inadvertently posted yesterday. The court now officially ruling that for now, women in Idaho in health emergencies may receive abortion care. The ruling, however, is far short of a victory for women, as Justice Amy Coney Barrett notes in her concurring opinion, quote, Idaho's ability to enforce its law remains almost entirely intact. Joining our conversation, Amanda Zarowski is here. She was the lead plaintiff in the Texas near total ban on abortion lawsuit. We've come to know you and love you and feel the pain of what you went through when you lost your daughter, Willow. And so I know these aren't just decisions and rulings, and these are real women and their lives. And this was about emergency health care, something similar to what you faced. What are your thoughts today?
Well, thank you for having me, and the love is mutual. I'm always happy to join, always happy to see you. You know, on the one hand, I'm temporarily relieved that women in Idaho will have the protection of EMTALA. But also, you know, this isn't the end. This is just the Supreme Court kicking the can down the road. And we know this is going to end up in lower courts and probably back in front of the Supreme Court again at a later date. And so really, this isn't something that I'm celebrating. My heart breaks at the thought of all of the pregnant people in this country who are still suffering, who are still going through something like what I went through, knowing that these laws and these bans still exist and that we're still struggling to get the health care that we deserve.
Yeah, I mean, I think Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson wrote about just that pregnant patients do not have reason to essentially exhale. She was far more eloquent than I just was. But I mean, and this is, I know you're campaigning for President Biden, but this is the state of the Supreme Court. You can live somewhere between relief and anxiety about what they'll do next. And I wonder for you what that conversation looks like and how it's going out in the country.
You know, I think people are very aware of what's going on and the stakes of this election, and that even though there can be temporary relief, this is a long road and we still have a lot at risk. They're coming for, as we've talked about, IVF, contraception, certainly any sort of temporary relief is not the end of the road here. And so as we're out and we're campaigning and we're talking to folks, we're seeing how motivated they are because they know that this is going to be a long fight.
When you look at the sort of bullets dodged, there's some shallow analysis that, well, the court can now say it moderated itself. I mean, so says no one with a womb or uterus. I mean, there's still anxiety. I meet women who've deleted their period trackers because there's still this sense that the Republicans in criminalizing and changing the profile for mifepristone in Louisiana or other, I mean, they're still very much on the attack against women's access to reproductive health care. What is for you sort of the truth that you hear? Is that your puppy dog there? We love dogs.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
Oh no, we want to
Nicole,
see.
She's in here every time I talk to you.
Let me see her.
I'm so sorry.
We want to see her. It's easier. Let her shine. Oh, look at you. Who's this?
This is Millie.
Oh, hello. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're always welcome in the shot.
Millie's spayed, so she doesn't have to worry about these things.
Isn't that true? Isn't that true? Like less anxiety than we have. But just tell me what the sort of tension is between these sort of temporary moments where we can exhale because the Supreme Court doesn't do the worst thing possible, but the real onslaught in the states against access to health care.
Well, you know, I've had to stop saying, how can it get worse? It can't get worse, because every time I say that, it does. And it's really scary because they're just coming after, you know, not just women's rights or reproductive rights or healthcare. They're coming after basic human rights that are guaranteed to us as Americans. And even though that's terrifying, it's also very motivating, and it's what keeps us fighting and what I think should motivate us at least until November to keep fighting and standing up for what's right in this country.
Hey there, MSNBC fans. I'm Luke Russert, and be sure to join me, Rachel Maddow, Jen Psaki, Lawrence O'Donnell, Steve Kornacki, Joy Reid, and many more September 7th in Brooklyn, MSNBC Live Democracy 2024. Click on the link for ticket information. We will see you there.